Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast for the West Coast, more specifically California and parts of Nevada and a little bit of Washington. You can see here this forecast is different than the other forecasts because I have different color codes right here. The highest chance for 24 plus inches is the darkest shade of blue, and the lowest chance for 24 inches plus is the cyanish color blue. You can see here that parts of California, specifically along the Nevada-California border, maybe a little more towards California, it just loops around here, goes up into Washington. I'm getting myself confused. Then even more west. This storm is kind of confusing because it makes a full loop right here and it just comes back around and it's really weird. This cyanish color shade here, I don't know why there's weird circles in there, but in that area, some areas in that area could experience no snow, but I still decided to fill it in all the way because technically it has the lowest chance of 24 plus inches. Some areas, specifically here in the deepest part of California, could get up to 100 inches of snow, mainly in very highly elevated areas like 4,000 plus feet high, 3,000 plus feet high. This storm is mainly affecting mountains and high elevated areas, although some places could definitely see snow that are not as highly elevated. Expect this to cause some flight delays, especially if planes are flying over this area. They're just not going to do it at all because 100 inches of snow. Some models are saying they're going to get like 50 inches, some are saying 100, but either way, it's over 2 feet of snow, mainly in the mountain regions. This very thin line of blue, that is the first time it connects into the Nevada border, where that bend is. It could be shift west a little more, but we'll see how things play. It's just an extremely unpredictable thing to happen. And also, forgot to tell you, this storm is happening very soon when this video comes out. It should start within like 24 to 48 hours after, and it might not end for a pretty considerable amount of time. Now I'll show you the GFS models for the storm. You can see in this 18Z run that occurred just as of recording, you can see within 6 hours, 12 hours, 18, 24, you can already see some snow starting to happen there. Continuing on into hour 48, the two-day mark, you're already seeing 31 inches of snow, 18 inches of snow, 14 inches of snow. A significant amount in just a short period of time. Again, mainly in the highly elevated areas. Moving on into hour 108, you can already see they racked up 74 inches of snow, again in the mountain regions. Let's just drag this for time's sake. By hour 384, some areas could see 135 inches of snow. 135. That's an unbelievable amount. I'm gonna check how many feet that is actually right now with my calculator in hand. Let's see. Measurements. It is 11 feet 3 inches. 11 feet of snow. That's a significant amount for those areas. So expect like extreme travel delays if planes are flying over these areas. Like seriously, this is pretty dangerous and serious over here. There could also be blizzard conditions in these areas, although depends on how things turn out, but there is that chance. So 11 feet in a lot of these areas, maybe a little less, because some areas are getting 73 inches. It all varies no matter where you are, and it's just I can't stress enough that this is a very dangerous storm that you need to watch out for, especially if you live in those areas in the mountains and or side cities. So just be prepared, make travel plans different, change them if you're planning on flying through these areas or in these areas and actually land in these areas. So that's your trusted weather forecast. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this with people you know that live in these areas with this very dangerous storm. Thanks for watching.
Back to the